Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a Lunar New Year, year of the horse, 2026. Today I've got a bit of one bag to show you and a big clothing haul for Lunar New Year. So we'll get started. I will show you first. Look at my beautiful decorations bag. So this is made by, oh my gosh, it's beautiful, an artisan in Malaysia. It's like a custom order. It wasn't not expensive, but a lot of things in Malaysia is really well priced, and it's made, he doesn't deal with real leather, he deals with fabric and faux leather. But what I really wanted was one of his signature flower bag in red and gold songket fabric. So songket is a kind of embroidered fabric with gold threads. It can be silver as well, but I chose gold for Lunar New Year, and I think this colorway suits me. It's my favorite kind of colorway, and it's his this is his signature style. I think it's really quite beautiful. You can contact him and order all sorts of different styles. I will link his website in my description. His name is Kai Hung. Kai Hung Official is his website. So it's like a drawstring sort of bag. Look at the beautiful intricate sort of brocade fabric. And in the past, only the kings and queens or the sultans get to wear fabric like that. But it's sort of weaved in geometrical patterns. But this bag is called the flower bag. Comes in a short strap, also comes in a long crossbody strap. So all these are faux leather and fabric. I think it goes so well with what I'm wearing today. I think this bag goes really well just without the crossbody strap. I think as a shoulder bag like that, I think this is a good drop to be on the shoulder. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm so impressed with his workmanship. It's lined interior with fabric as well, and I'm glad it's not black, because black interior is just, let me put this down, I find it difficult to find anything. And there's a slip pocket and a zipper pocket on the inside as well. Hope you can see that, all of you. I really want to do this video in support of his wonderful work. It's a really good size. That's how it looks like at the bottom. It's more rectangular, but this looks like a lotus flower, to be honest, which is really lucky. A lucky symbol. Oh my gosh. Love it. And I can just drawstring it up. There you go. I know, right? Like this, just like that. Nice. So this outfit is a top and short set from another Malaysian brand, which is led by two sisters by the name of Helen Tan and Helian Tan. They started the business by selling pre-loved clothes on Blogspot before evolving into a brand. It's called Double Wood, and I bought quite a few things from her company for Lunar New Year. This jacket I've had made, this little short sleeve jacket, bolero top, I've had it made quite a few years ago, with also traditional batik fabric. But today we are going the crane motif and the red bag. So it's the detail of this top. It's got scalloped edges with beautiful pearl edging, and also like this part. There's a pocket here as well. It's all brocade, and all this is embroidered. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. All right, I have got more clothing haul, so let's go with it. Let's try them all. Let me show you all of it. This is my favorite out of all of it, and I really wanted to purchase this one. But it was a pre-order, sequin. Beautiful, right? Like gold, pink, orange. Right, and a beautiful sort of like mesh fabric here that actually goes really well with the skin. So I discovered this brand last year. I found just an evening gown online on Depop. It's like a second-hand platform, and I was like, oh, this brand looks familiar. I think I've seen this brand before. Bought the dress. It was a bit too big. I had to get it taken in, but yeah, that was good. It was a pre-love piece. Well, it was like pre-love but not worn. And yeah, so then that's sort of like, oh, you know what? I will buy Lunar New Year outfit. Okay, this is the full outfit from the back. I really like the halter neck look actually. It's quite modern in a way as well. And this like cut out. How does it go with my flower bag? Oh, very well. It goes very well. Okay, another outfit, which is also a short and top set. I love this little crop top. Love the little puffy shoulders a little bit. And floral embroidery. The shorts sort of go in the similar sort of design as the first one, maybe a little bit shorter, which is, I think this is like a better hem length for me. But it's got the traditional buttons, scalloped edges, scalloped detail rather than scalloped edges. But I have a lack of like, I think traditional tops. So I'm thinking, or cheap how tops, right? So I was like, oh, let's buy some separates so that I can potentially wear this top with a different skirt or something a bit more casual as well. But I love this matchy set. I'm all for matchy. Ruffle to the max. I love ruffles. Not exactly high contrast. The color, I mean, it's not exactly high contrast. As advised by my color matching analyst was that, you know, so high contrast is like very bright color that is, or like a big contrasting color between the print and the base color of the outfit, or yeah, high contrast between the top and the bottom. But it's still cream and pink, which is my kind of neutral. But I think it's not bad. It does work well with my hair. So, and I can't work this out. I think this is meant to go over the arm. I'm not sure it's gonna stay there though. But yeah, so lovely. I love it. But if you guys are interested to buy from this brand online, do check the measurement of each outfit, each style. So don't just go by the extra small, medium, large or whatever, because each style seems to vary quite differently with the measurement of the outfit itself. But still, pastel pink and cream. It's a very feminine outfit. Okay, second last outfit. It's this yellow, sort of goldy, like satin kind of dress. I love again the shoulders, but when I took it out, love all the print, except I think I don't need the 5 buttons like here, here and here. I might unstitch them and just leave one corner of like one line of button, and I think I'll take one button away and apply them on the slit here, just to give it some continuity. Yeah, otherwise I think the buttons are potentially in some weird spots. Yeah, but we definitely don't need the 5. I think just having it one line, yeah, will showcase the line, the cut of the dress really well. So that's how it looks like, low, square at the back. I love that. It's very different. Okay, unfortunately this last outfit is just a little bit too tight. I couldn't quite pull up the zip, so this will have to go back. Furthermore, while the design I really like, the lace and there's a lace, like sort of the lace goes from the top to the skirt bit, and having that sort of asymmetrical skirt is really nice. But the color is also quite dark, and maroon isn't something I normally gravitate to, so this will have to go back. Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. So I wish you all a prosperous year of the horse. See you in the next video. Bye.